Hello, can you hear me?
Hello?
Yeah, I can
Yes,
hear
I can
you.
hear you.
Okay. Okay, what's the problem you face? Can you share this thing? Then I will check.
Okay, so let me show my screen. So can
Yes.
you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, so I read this paper. Uh, I read this paper and then because my supervisor sent it to me also. So I read it and found out that the method he wanted me to use, it was being applied in this paper to do this research. So
Okay.
I quickly contacted the author to see whether I can access the code that they use and the mentor. So they sent it to me. That's the code I just shared with you. So I want to manipulate this code now to suit my own research area, like be able to use it to analyze uh, water quality in different parameters. But then I changed the ROI.
Yeah.
I try to change some parameter within the code, but it doesn't work. I don't know whether they formatted it or whatever. It doesn't work. It only like give directly the initial ROI.
Okay. Okay. So when you want to change this area of interest, then it will be not work.
But can we look at this code maybe and do some changes to suit the new area that we want to use? Is it possible?
Okay. Okay. Let me check. I just open the code. Okay. So in this time, you try to change the area of interest, then check what happened. What the error you can got.
Okay.
Suppose you want to change the study area, and then check what is the um, problem or what is the error it show.
Okay.
But simply you can simply TS table to simply read that and take the new ROI for your
Mhm.
study area and then check what happened. Okay, so you run the code. You can run the code, you can get a problem, run the code. TS table 2. Yeah, just copy the name about the TS table 2 and then use the same name. Or you can put change it, no problem. Okay, it just show only for the one layer.
Mm-hmm.
Binary sum
It,
result.
yeah, it just shows only one layer. It shows. It's not showing like That's all it shows.
Okay, let me open. Okay, let me share my screen and then try to show you that. Okay, so in this time we can get this type of result. So basically, this is the terrace surface reflectance daily dataset for 250 meter resolution, and also terrace surface reflection daily global 1 kilometer, mainly 1000 meter. Okay, so in this time, this is the code for this region, and they are calculated that I think they are calculated that FAU compute using the band 1 and band 2. Right. So mainly surface lepton is band 1, something band 2. They calculate these things, and also they are calculated this type of resampled data, 250 meter resolution, and then calculate this type of ratio. Okay. So in this time they identify about the LZ. Okay, using this. So just I try to suppose this type of thing. Okay. Okay, so in this time we can find out the LZ type of map, and they also make the time series analysis. So now I can set this code and try check what happened. Okay, so now I can see it show the time series chart of LZ. LG. Okay, we can get the time series chart from the LZ for this study area, and this is the map for LZ. Here you can see I simply add the color or stressing at 98%, and further I want to find out the LG from the different types of color plated. Suppose high LG, I want to show one kind of color. Okay, so from here you can simply set here color. Suppose just it show that, and it's a show low, and then I want to show suppose this type of color, and suppose I want to show this type of yellow color, and suppose red I want to show the high LZ detection about that, and then apply these things, then it will show at that. And these are type 3 chart for the FAI index, mainly LG index. When it will be high, we can easily get this from this ID. Okay, and also import these things. Suppose I simply import these things, and also copy this variable name and paste after the object name. Okay, just I paste here. Okay, and now click run. So now it will be set, and it show the timestamp chart about the LG, and also we can easily download the this image and also download from here. Okay.
Is there a way we can add a layer for the legend?
Legend mainly you want to add the gradient legend, yeah, in here. In this map, in Google Earth Engine platform, you want to add the legend. Yeah.
I can find a legend in India.
Don't understand your talk.
I'm saying, can we add a legend to like be able to give an idea about the algae bloom, whether low, high, using those?
Yeah, it's called the gradient legend. Yeah, so we can easily add that from the gradient legend. So let me add. So let me add this legend. Okay, so now it will be set it with the listen. Okay, you can see it added the listen in here. Okay. And if you want, you can also add the title. Suppose you want to add the title about that in here. It's also possible. Suppose for that you can write the code for title. It also added in here about this monitoring the water algae in this lake. And if you want, you can also add here map dot get options. I put this. Suppose you can get the lot of style about that. Suppose I simply search there, and I simply search the function map dot set options. So here you can see the different types of style. Here you can find out. Suppose here you can see the roadmap, satellite, hybrid, train. So suppose I set that satellite. So I simply copy the satellite, and these things I simply add in here. Okay. So now click to the run. So here you can see it will be added the satellite view of your map. And now it will display this result in here, also title, other things. So now further you can simply suppose click on here and then zoom your map. And now we can easily take the screenshot. Basically in this time, we can get the screenshot without exporting the grayscale color. Okay. So now we can easily get this type of things about the listen, title. You can easily add these things, and you can easily represent it.
So this code can be now it can be used to monitor different water body now, right?
Yeah. So now
I just need to change the RI.
RI, yeah, and then try to use the same. And if you want, you can also add the chart on your. It also okay. Chart is also showing here. You can see it's a chart about that. You can also add the title, Y level, X level title about the chart. Okay, then it's also more better.
Yeah, to send the chart on the map.
This chart, if you want, you can also show in your chart in this map. Okay, so
yeah,
that
is it possible, please? It will be okay for me because I'm just going to get this data from here now and import it in the work. I have no time right now.
Okay.
So,
yeah.
That, please, if we can just set everything to just get it out, it'll be okay.
Okay, so for doing these things, we just add a function in here, map dot add. It will be added here, but I need to add in the proper place. It look like that, but we are also put this chart more beautiful. So for doing these things, okay, we have to create a panel or just take a variable or panel. Okay, I copy my other code from here. It also save our time.
So the time series chart just showing the random occurrence of algae over time.
Yeah.
There's no mathematical computation about that.
No. somewhere just add a panel. For that, I just paste here. It's our panel, and this panel I want to set the chart. So for that, panel.add. We call this panel. I want to add this with my panel. So now it will be set a panel in here. Okay. Okay, now we can get the top chart. If you want, you can also increase the panel size width. Suppose I put at that 500 pixel. Now I can get this top chart. Okay. So now we can easily, for this study area, what's the happen for the different time, what's the value about the algae index, we can easily get from here. Okay. And also download also from here. Yeah, and if you want, you can also add the other description about your things. You can also add this, no problem. Suppose
it looks good. But can we try like just use the entire time period and see whether it's gonna work? Like the long term, because this I just see it just within 1 year, few months. Maybe we can use the long term and see whether it's gonna work.
Yeah, suppose for the time series. Yeah. So in this time, this is the time period about that. Okay. Suppose you put the time period. Suppose year of 2000
to 2020, or 2000 to 2020. Let's try. 2000 to 2020.
And 2021, yeah. Okay, so now I can get the chart. You can see 2020, okay, and up to 2021, December 30.
Okay.
You can change from here, and you can easily get. Okay, so this is the process about that. I will send you the code. You can also try to use it. I hope you can easily get. And you can simply change your study area. Then it also work for the other study area also.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, have a good day. Okay, bye.